Hello. Hello? Oh, it's on. It's not acting up. Okay. Let me just adjust my headphones. Apologies if you heard that. Today I'm going to be showing you my level generator. So far, hang on, am I stuck? No, I'm not stuck. So far it only works in one direction. That's up. It does not work going down. And that's because I plan on putting a wall here. Like here where the player's running. I plan on putting a wall there. And then this is just going to be a starting tile of some kind. But I haven't done it yet. So right now there's just nothing. Anyhow, this is the chunk generator. It generates chunks. It's called the tile generator up there, but there's a reason for that, and I'm not going to explain it to you. I'm going to change the name later. I hate Unity. I mean, I shouldn't, but I do. You just get stuck on things. Even when you set it to interpolated and continuous, you still get stuck on things. Like, it's annoying. It really is. Very annoying. But, yeah, you can run endlessly in this direction. You can't run endlessly backwards. You can run endlessly in this direction now. And, yeah. That's pretty much all there is so far. Although, I do plan on having it so that you can also run left and right, and there will be branch pieces, as you can see here. But that hasn't been done yet because I haven't made those pieces yet over here. Once they're made over there, then they'll be added to over here, and once they're added to over here, then you can go left and right. And yeah. Also, the chunk generator for this is actually very cool. Because if I... Oh fuck, that's a tile generator. Let's hope nothing happens from that. But it basically generates chunks around the player. So far, the limit for it is actually pretty high. I could do with lowering that, and I will, at some point. But it's pretty cool. It does have some issues if you're like moving really fast. Then it's really struggling to get the chunks all loaded in. And it's like just throwing ham at everything, and sometimes you end up walking into the void a bit before it loads the chunk you're on because it's too busy loading some other chunks that are faster to load. But as long as you're not going like Mach 1, the speed of sound, as long as you're not being dragged around in the scene editor, you're fine. And we're not going that fast. So we don't have to worry about anything. But yeah, it can support branches, just hasn't been put in yet, like with proper tiles, apart from just blank spaces of nothing. And what the hell is that arrow? That's probably created by something I did. I don't see what's wrong there. I'll Google it later. But yeah, I will say though, one last thing I will say. The chunk generator is a bit unoptimized. It's not very unoptimized, but it's a bit unoptimized. Because once it destroys a chunk, it has to store the position of that chunk. There's no thing I can do to just magically recover that position from nothing with this kind of generation. It's not like Minecraft, where we can just use a seed and find out what was there before and all that. We can't do that. So we have to store all the positions of everything. I mean, we could probably do it like Minecraft. We could probably use a seed, or just make it a noise map where if it's a really big value, it's a corner, and then we just have some sort of algorithm that links them all up. But that is a very time-consuming process, I would imagine. It'd probably take a lot more than I should have to work on this. then I do have to work on this. So I'm not going to bother with that. This is good enough. It's not like it's going to blow your computer up. If anything, it'll just make processing go to 70%, and most games run at that anyways. Like, what's Task Manager say about this? 73. It'll make memory go to 73. CPU's looking fine now. That's nice. Which is, again, what's expected of most games. So it's not the end of the world. And that's not even accounting for the fact I have OBS running as well, and everyone knows that it takes up a lot of processing memory. But yeah, I might get some input from teachers on how I could make this more optimized some point soon, but for now I think it's good enough. And I don't think there is anything else to show you because we haven't got branch PCs. Although they are supported, they're just not added yet. I could show you the flaws of my work. Yes, let's do that. We go high enough or real quick. Where is it? I remember you. Yes, there you are. It's a flaw. It's a flaw. Is that going up at any point? Oh yeah, it's gone up. Yeah. So that needs to be fixed, whatever that is. We don't want ours. What about the warning? What the hell is that? Eh? Project path contains special characters which may be an issue for opening with Visual Studios. That's not a very special character. It's an underscore. I know what you're on about. It's an underscore. It's not that special of a character. It's not going to be an issue. Stop moping. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else. Hope you enjoyed this endless tile generator. Although I could make this an endless one, but that would make half the code redundant. Should I though? Pondering moment. Nah. Goodbye.